Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a Cantonese style tomato fried eggs. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to turn on the heat. Start warming up the pan. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let that heat up to the smoke point. And at this point we're going to add some salt to these scrambled eggs. Mix that in there. Now, as soon as it's heated up, we're ready to toss that in there. Alright, now that that's heated up, we're going to add some more pepper to that egg real quick. Give that a little bit of a mix. Then we're going to put that into the pan. And we're going to scramble that up. Alright, now that that's all scrambled up, we're going to take it back in the bowl, set it aside for now. We're going to add another 2 tablespoons of oil. Let that oil heat up a little bit. Alright, now we're going to add 2 sliced up tomatoes. Now we're going to fry these up until they start to tenderize. And we're going to add about 2 cloves of garlic. And we're going to fry that with the tomatoes so that they release their aromas. Alright, now that those are starting to tenderize a little bit, we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. We're going to keep stirring that around until those juices start coming out. About a minute. Alright, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to that. Get that incorporated into those tomatoes. Now we're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Alright, now that that's been going for 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the eggs to that. Get those eggs fully mixed in there. Now we're going to cover that and let that simmer for another minute. Alright, now we're ready to serve it. We're going to take a scoop. We're going to serve it with our rice here. And we're going to garnish it with some chives. There you go. And there you have a Cantonese style tomato fried eggs. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.